Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable subtitles on the Mortal Kombat XL game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Mortal Kombat XL on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to change your subtitle settings, you will first need to go into the options page. Now from the options page, go into Gameplay, and you can now find the subtitle settings within this page. You can either turn it on or turn it off based on your desire. By default, it will be set to off. So if you want to turn it on, you can choose the on option. And now just go back and you will be asked whether you would like to save your changes. Once you have saved your changes, you can now go back and enjoy your game. And you will notice that the subtitles have started to appear within your gameplay. You can come back to this setting at any point of time if you wish to once again disable or turn off your subtitles. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable subtitles on the Mortal Kombat XL game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.